Alright guys, today I got an Instant Pot recipe. So I got some chicken breast I need to use up, I got an onion, got some beans, some carrots I need to use up. So I'm going to throw it all into this pot and I'll go do a quick taste test for you. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to get it all set up. Alright, so it's all seasoned, ready to go. As you can see, the onions there, the carrots, the beans, all that stuff is in there. So I'm going to cook it. I'm going to hit the poultry button and I'll be back and do a quick taste test. Stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so it's all done. As you can see, I'm going to do a quick taste test of what the broth tastes like. It is a little hot. It's just finished. Whoa. And there we go. Okay, so it's actually quite good. It's like a nice clear broth, like a very clean tasting. So the chicken breast in there isn't oily at all. So it's actually quite tasty. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.